Bonus issue. At 31 December 20X3, the capital structure of a company was as follows. Ordinary share capital, 25,000 shares of 50C each, 25,000 shares of 50 cents each, $12,500. Share premium account, $45,000. During 20X3, the company made a bonus issue of 1 share for every 2 held, using the share premium account for the purpose, and later issued for cash another 15,000 shares at 80 cents per share. What is the company's capital structure at 31 December 20X3? Answer. Ordinary shares at start of year, $12,500. Add bonus issue, 25,000 times 1/2, 12,500 times 50 cents, $6,250. Add new issue, 15,000 times 50 cents, $7,500, for a total of $26,250. Share premium at start of year, $45,000. Less bonus issue, 12,500 times 50 cents, minus $6,250. Add new issue, 15,000 times 30 cents, $4,500. Total, $43,250. Journal entry. Bonus issue. Debit share premium, $6,250. Credit share capital, $6,250. Public issue. Debit cash, $12,000. Credit share capital, $7,500. Credit share premium, $4,500.